But I can assure you, the problem had nothing to do with the quality of the item. It had nothing to do even with the administration of the examination itself. And so, what this thing that just happened in no way affects the credibility of JAMB. The credibility of JAMB is still intact.
As registrar of JAMB, I hold myself personally responsible including for the negligence of the service provider and I unreservedly apologize for it. And the trauma it has affected Nigerians to, directly or indirectly. It is our culture to admit error because we know that in spite of the best of our efforts, we are human. We are not perfect. I'm sorry. The only consolation we have in this case, it is that it is just one of our two service providers that did not do well by uploading improperly. But it was not a case of glitches nor sabotage. There were technical errors. We discovered, we created what the patch, but one of our two service providers did not do well. By Tuesday morning, with the CEs, that is our chief external examiners, the experts, Mr. Shidoka, a former Minister of Aviation, we started samples of responses and reviewed. We compared the results and we are finding interesting correlation, except in these 157 centers where distortions had occurred. We have decided that all the candidates affected in the 157 centers of the 882 be contacted to retake their examinations. These candidates are to be contacted through text messages addressed to their registered phone number from tomorrow, their email addresses, their profiles, and phone calls by JAMB. They are directed to reprint their examination slips for the rescheduled examination dates.
I really want to appreciate JAMB, sir. It's been a great experience. The structure, the system in place is amazing. And we just want to assure you and reassure the confidence of every Nigerian candidate now and to come.
And so, I believe I will be speaking for the people I represent if I say we hereby accept this concession.
Parents in Nigeria are grateful for this progress we are making in JAMB for us to have a quality and sound education in the country. And for the window that is created to retake this examination, Prof, we say thank you, and the entire management of. We will ensure that our words come out en masse, those that are affected, to do the needful.